how's it going? I'm Melody Hidalgo, and I'm here at the organic store in Tung Sala. I'm coming in to just pick up a couple of things. I love this store because it has loads of organic ingredients that they import in that normally we couldn't get here, so let's go shopping. Welcome to my first vlog. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to do this for a couple of years. A few months ago, the beginning of this year, 2017, I was able to transition into starting my own business out of my house, where I have a cooking school called Alchemy. I teach other people how to cook raw and vegan dishes. I have weekly classes. I also teach people one-on-one if they've got particular health issues that they need to work on. Now that we have everything we need, let's go to the kitchen. Welcome to my home. This is where I do the cooking classes. Today we're going to be making a protein papaya boat. I'm going to run upstairs and get everything prepped and ready to go while you look over all the list of ingredients. Welcome to my kitchen. This is where the magic happens. Today we're going to be making a raw protein papaya boat. It's one of my favorite breakfast dishes. It's excellent. It keeps you powered all through the morning where you don't have those slumps of energy. Okay, our main ingredient and guest of honor today is the papaya. We're very lucky here in Thailand because they grow everywhere. The best way to pick a papaya is find one that's they're firm but soft when you touch them. And we're just going to slice it open. And then we're going to scoop out the seeds inside. And the seeds can be eaten as well. They're an anti-parasitic. They're a little bit bitter tasting, but they're really, really good for you. You can also dry them and use them like as a pepper on your food. Papayas are amazing. They have an enzyme in them that aids in digestion. They are high in vitamin C. They're good for your eyes. They've got lots of vitamin E, good for your skin. And what I like most about them is they're loaded with vitamin C, which really can help boost your immune system. So skip the flu shot, eat more papaya. We're chopping the nuts up not too fine, just dicing them up into nice, easy pieces to get on the spoon with the papaya. Okay, next we're going to remove the pits from the dates. There's also this little hard piece sometimes that sits on the top. You want to make sure you get rid of that. Okay, and then you take the hard pit or seed out of the inside, get rid of it. So all you're left with is the soft flesh of the date. And then we're going to cut the dates into small pieces just like we did the nuts, so they still have some texture, but they aren't too small, but small enough that you can taste. Okay, now that we've got all of our ingredients prepped and ready to go, we're just going to mix them all up, and then we're ready to start building the papaya boat. Okay, first we're going to add in our chopped nuts. Then we're going to add in the tahini. Some coconut milk. Stir that together. Then we're going to add in the chopped dates. So we get everything blended really well. And then this is the main stuffing for our papaya boat. We're going to spoon this into the papaya. And then we're just going to add the toppings. We'll start off with the goji berries. Maybe in the middle to give it some nice color. We'll add the pumpkin seeds. Our chia seeds, ground flax seeds, and then we'll add in our desiccated coconut or dried coconut, and then we can sprinkle some desiccated coconut as well. And I also like to finish off with a little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon, just to give it a little bit more flavor. And then I also like to add a little bit of lime juice to the papaya. It makes it taste really good. And there you have it, your raw protein papaya boat.